Would you like to learn about an unusual accessibility issue I uncovered the other day? You do? Well, let me show you. So I spend a lot of time worrying about what a website sounds like. And the more that I use a screen reader, the more anomalies I come across, like this one that I spotted the other day.
Visited, link, our work, list 5 items, visited, link, about US. You are currently on a link. To click this link, press Ctrl, Option, Space.
Yes, you heard right. It said about US, not about us. So let's take a look to see why that may be. The underlying code suggests that everything is okay. The visible text is written in sentence case, and that is contained within an anchor tag. So why is a screen reader pronouncing us as US? Well, the observant amongst us will notice that a CSS text transform was applied to the link, so it visibly transformed to uppercase. Now, this triggers an issue and a response from a screen reader seeing that text in uppercase, so it reads the initialism US, not us. Now, against all instinct, there is a way to overcome this, and it's to add an accessible name to the link, which takes precedence over visible text. So let's give that a go.
Visited, link, our work. Visited, link, about us.
Doesn't that sound better and make more sense? This issue persisted across NVDA and VoiceOver when testing. I didn't check it in JAWS, but I suspect it will be the same. Now, this problem perfectly highlights the importance of testing your website and apps using assistive technology like screen readers. Now in this case, I suspect the web designer handed over their design to the web developer and they diligently interpreted that with HTML and CSS. But they didn't understand the implication of using a text transform on text. That's why it's important to always work with a digital accessibility specialist, because we can uncover anomalies like this.